How much money can you make from affiliate marketing? The real answer is anywhere from $0 or even negative to more than $50,000 a day of profit. As crazy as that might sound. But that doesn't help, doesn't it? So what's something realistic that a beginner affiliate marketer could earn just after like a couple months as an affiliate? Well, to answer that, we need to look at 5 variables on how you'll go about doing affiliate marketing. Number 1 is which niche are you gonna pick? Some niches have more demand than others, and people are willing to spend way more money on them since there are many things you can buy on top of any product within that niche. Some of the best niches out there have to do with health, because there's no limit to how much people are willing to pay for either losing weight or fixing some health problems that's causing them pain, discomfort, or lack of self-esteem. This goes from weight loss pills to supplements for your memory. Some other good niches have to do with business and money, like online courses on how to make money online. That's because most of those people who buy these products or services see the purchase as an investment instead of an expense. So they're willing to pay thousands of dollars in the hopes that they'll get a return on the things they'll learn. Another thing to keep in mind is that some niches are limited in reach, while others are very broad. So picking a broad niche will help you make more money in the long term, since there will be no lack of new customers. Variable number 2 is what product are you selling? Is it a high ticket or low ticket? Can you add upsells to it? Obviously, the most important factor on how much money you can make with affiliate marketing is what's the price of the thing you're selling. Commissions can range from just a few bucks to thousands of dollars. Also, you might be able to negotiate with the owners of the product or service to increase your commission percentage for each sale you make. They're usually happy to do that once you've proved your own worth to them and have made them a few sales. Sometimes they might even bump it up to 90% when it's either digital services or supplements. But the average you'll get on affiliate networks such as ClickBank is around $100 to $200 per sale, which takes us to the next point. Number 3, what affiliate platform are you using? Not all affiliate platforms are the same, and they all pay in different ways. For example, ClickBank works as a revenue share between affiliate and vendor, so you'll get paid a percentage of the sale you make, plus all the upsells that customers buy. So say you're promoting a product that costs $200 with a 70% commission rate, which is pretty standard for ClickBank. That would mean you get $140 per sale. But thanks to ClickBank split sharing, you'll also get paid for the upsells that person buys. And these usually result in hundreds of extra dollars. It's not uncommon to get paid $400 or $500 for a single sale on ClickBank. It won't happen on every single sale, but you'll see these pop up from time to time. Most products on ClickBank have plenty of upsells and downsells to maximize the money they get out of each customer. And with ClickBank, you'll be getting a piece of each of those. There is one downside to ClickBank. If a customer refunds a purchase, the money you got paid will be deducted from your account. That's why ClickBank's model is called revenue share, because you split everything, the good and the bad. This is something you need to watch out for. On the flip side, if you go into a platform like MaxWeb, that's a CPA network, which means you'll be getting paid for acquiring a customer for them, regardless of how much money they spend, and whether they refund the purchase afterwards or not. On MaxWeb, once you get paid, that's the end of the story, regardless of what the customer does afterwards. Even if they refund or buy $400 more worth of products, the average payout on MaxWeb is around $80 to $120. My piece of advice is, if you're starting out, go to MaxWeb. Once you scale your campaigns and you're more experienced, then switch to ClickBank. Number 4 is it a recurring sale? There's a very important thing about working as an affiliate, and it is if you're building a recurring revenue with the products and services you promote. For some products and services you promote, you can get paid recurringly once you get a customer because you're selling a subscription-based good or service. For example, an online software people pay monthly, or a supplement that gets shipped to them monthly. In some situations, that might be preferable since you can start to stack these subscriptions and literally build a passive income stream. You can find 50 people who pay $20 a month for something, and that's already $1,000 a month with no work behind it, and it will likely last for a while. Some vendors will tell you for how long that will last, but we've seen some of those subscriptions have an average duration of 2 years. So only 50 sales at $20 a month could potentially result in $24,000 over time. You keep doing that and get more than 50, and you could find yourself earning tens of thousands of dollars a month. And lastly, number 5, what is your traffic source? This one is key. Are you doing organic traffic or paid traffic? This will determine what your profit margin is with all of these sales you make. If you're selling something that nets you $150 per sale, but turns out you had to spend $100 to get that customer, now your profit is only $50. Even though it might seem a bad thing, it's good because ads can be easily automated. And unlike organic traffic, it's easier to scale, you can access audiences immediately, and it can grow very fast. Once you have a good funnel and your campaigns are set up, there's no more work to be done. Just let the platform spend the money on ads and get those sales rolling. It will need some tweaking at first to make it work, but once you get there, it will be the easiest money you've ever made in your entire life and might only take 15 minutes of work per day. The good thing about organic traffic though is that it can be permanent. With paid traffic, once you close your ads, that's the end of the story. With organic traffic, if you've been building blogs, websites, or YouTube videos, that would always be there and bring sales from time to time when people find your content.
Now, you can try to figure out how to make money online on your own, but if you want to go straight to the right answer and learn literally the best method that exists out there as of right now that's helping complete beginners go from $0 to $1,000 a day without any previous experience, click the link in the description to sign up for this week's free workshop and you'll learn how you can start earning a sizable income online as fast as possible. So click the link in the description now.